In today's video, let's learn how to make your Facebook private. Now, unlike Instagram or TikTok, Facebook does not have an option to toggle on and make your account private. Instead, you'll need to manage a couple of settings on Facebook. So tap on the three lines or this menu on the top right. From here, scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and tap on privacy shortcuts. Here you'll see more privacy settings. Tap on this option. Here are all of the things or all of the settings that you need to manage. Starting off with who can see your future post. By default, it will be selected to public. So this means anyone on Facebook, not only your friends, but other people will also be able to see what you post. So if you want to make this private, you can select it to friends or any other option that you can see. And you can also choose select it to only me if you don't want others to see your post. So that's the first thing. And as you go down, there are tons of options that you can manage, such as limit who can see your past post. You can also manage these settings. And if you come down, here is a topic of how people can find you and contact you. So if you don't want other people to find you on Facebook, these are the settings that you want to manage. Who can send you a friend request? As always, it will be set to everyone. Tap on friends of friends to restrict it a little bit. And who can see your friend list? If you don't want others to see your friend list, you can tap on see more and tap it on only me. This way other people won't be able to see your profile and look up your friend list. So this is the way that you can make your Facebook private. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.